Well, speaking of emergencies, where you live can affect how much you pay for homeowners insurance. One of the factors can be your district's fire rating.
As that number goes lower, so can your premiums, putting a little money back in your pocket. Our Grace Brister went to Monroe County to find out what firefighters and county leaders are doing there to help. She joins us live from Hamilton Volunteer Fire Station with more.
Andrea Winston, I spoke with a Monroe County supervisor about steps they're taking to maintain that level of service for years to come. In many parts of Mississippi and Alabama, the local volunteer fire department is the main provider of emergency services.
Most of the time, your volunteer fire department is one of those people who are the first one on the scene of a major accident.
That response time is not only important to the safety and security of county residents, it can also have an impact on their finances. It's one of the things that drives a district's fire rating. Getting the fire ratings down allows homeowners to have better insurance rates. The ratings mostly look at communication, equipment, staff and training, but the biggest obstacle the volunteer fire departments face is the water supply.
What is the availability of water out there? We got to work with the water associations when they run new water lines or improve existing lines. We want to make sure that they put fire hydrants and they run an adequate water line that's sufficient to support a fire hydrant out there.
Monroe County District 3 Supervisor Rubel West says improving the rating is a long process. They've already started on communication by improving the 911 centralized dispatch and putting everyone on the same radio frequency to help with the communication.
When they ping, they can ping the right fire department to respond as quickly as possible, whether it's EMR support or whether it's actually a fire call.
West says for training, the departments meet about once a month.
The biggest thing on the training is getting available volunteers. Once you get those volunteers, being able to keep those volunteers so when you spend the money and time and resources on their training, they stay with you and stay with this department. And it just increases their overall efficiency.
Overall, West says it's a big puzzle and they're taking it piece by piece. There are 13 volunteer fire departments in Monroe County, and they are working to get all 13 fire chiefs together so they can work hand in hand in the future. Reporting live in Monroe County, telling your story, Grace Brister, WCBI News.